everyone, start off by adding some hairspray to the hair and then comb it in place. Take a section from the top, make a braid out of it, and then midway through divide this braid into two parts and then join it at the bottom. Make it into a heart shape as such and then make a ponytail at the bottom. Add multiple rubber bands to this ponytail. Next, we'll start off by dividing the hair into two sections. Now starting from the right side, tie a ponytail to it, divide this into two parts and then taking the top section of it, begin to make a braid out of it. Now add a rubber band once you're done with this and roll it upwards and then pin it up in place in the form of a bow. Tie a rubber band around this. Next, make 6 sections out of the top portion of the hair and then join each of them together. Roll both the sections in on themselves after you have joined them after splitting the sections into two, and now join them into one as well. Roll this section as well in on itself. Section out the front portion of it, add a rubber band, make a braid at the bottom and roll this braid upwards. Next, divide the hair into 4 portions, 2 on either side, taking the top section of it, tie a ponytail to it. Now, after you have pulled it through, join the hair at the bottom in a ponytail, make a braid out of it, roll it upwards and tie it up in place using a decorative butterfly clip. Next, we'll start off by making a zigzag division between the hair in the middle and then tie 2 ponytails on either side. Divide these ponytails into 2 parts and then add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 2 parts and roll the hair in on itself through these sections. Lift them up and tie it up at the base. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair from the front and then begin to make a braid out of it. Now, as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it and do this on the left side as such. Join them both together at the back in a ponytail. In the middle of this ponytail, add a rubber band to it. Now, after this, tie it up in the middle and add a decorative clip on top of this. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then add this decorative component on top of the hair. Now, using the beads as one of the sections, begin to make a braid out of the hair. Join the beads to 2 sections of the hair and then continue to make your braid. Now, once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. Next, take the front section of the hair and then make a braid on either side of it. At the back, tie a ponytail, roll this ponytail in on itself, make it into 2 divisions and then make 2 braids out of the 2 divisions that you have created. Once you're done with this, add a rubber band. Next, tie 2 ponytails on either side of the hair and then starting with the right side, divide it into 2 portions, add a rubber band in the middle of one of the portions, pull the second section through the first as such and then lift up the first section in order to make it look like a bow. Add a rubber band at the base of it and then adjust the bow portion of it as need be. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then take this hair string and then wrap it around the ponytail that you have created. Afterwards, comb the hair in place, divide it into 2 portions at the back and make 2 braids out of it. Twist the braids one on top of the other. Add a rubber band at the base of it, add multiple of these. Bend it slightly outwards. Next, we'll start off by tying 2 ponytails out of the hair. Starting with the right side, use this bun stick and then moving from bottom to the top as such, roll the hair into it and then roll it up, circle it up into a bun. Adjust the hair around it accordingly and then use a decorative hairnet to keep it in its place. Next, tie a ponytail to the hair and then use this bun stick, wrap the hair around this bun stick and then move from bottom to the top. Now make it into a circular shape, wrap the hair around it as such. Adjust it as need be, add a rubber band. Thank you for watching.